Patty Camarinos. I am a makeup artist. I've been doing this for over 10 years and I'm pretty much in love with my job. I've worked in music videos, I've done fashion photography, I've done a lot of creative shoots, runway. I even work in a salon as a resident makeup artist. I think the point where I thought, wow, like this is my real job is my first hair show was for someone that I really admired, Tim Hartley, and I was backstage and just doing the models and seeing it on the runway, it was just like the synergy between a mass amount of creative minds, and I was allowed to do my own thing and it just turned out amazing. It's kind of like when a band gets a song together for the first time in rehearsal and just you get that kind of those butterflies, you fall in love. And that was like a pinnacle moment in my career, and you know you're doing it right when you get the butterflies.